Number 6. So number 6 is telling us that if we have 10 cookies from the Dollhouse Bakery, and that the average number of chocolate chips on those 10 cookies is 24. And then the average number of chocolate chips on 16 cookies from Milk and Honey Bakery is 33.75. They want to know the average number of chocolate chips on all 26 cookies. So we're just going to multiply this like we do in all of our average questions. And 10 times 24 gives us 240. That represents the sum of all the chocolate chips on all 10 cookies. The 16 times 33.75, that's going to give us 540. So if we then add the 240 plus the 540, we end up with 780. So in order to get the average number of chocolate chips on all 26 cookies, we're going to divide 780 by 26, and we'll end up with 30. And that would be answer choice C.